Hi, I'm Tony at Choose, and I have behind me a brand new 2024 Elliott L50. This has a 50-foot working height, a 40-foot side reach, a 600-pound capacity platform. It has a 2,000-pound winch on it, 500-pound jib in the basket, and it also has a pretty cool feature that's an auto unstow and an auto stow, so that beginning your day, you can hit the auto unstow, the basket will come out of the cradle, lower to the ground. You can get in it and start your work, and at the end of the day, you can get out of the basket from the ground level and put it back into the cradle. Hey, before we begin the cool boom operation, here's a quick look at the truck. It has a full set of storage boxes on it, cross box, under bed boxes on both sides. Here are the up controls in the basket, the platform. So you have 4 joysticks here and some basket rotation buttons. And here's your, upper control and master switch right here. And your jib is right here on the platform with you. Okay, so to use the auto level feature, when you're about to begin your workday, you're gonna come to the back of the truck, and here is the front outrigger. So we're gonna bring the outrigger down by pressing this button. That's the front one. You're just gonna put a little bit of pressure on it. Come over here, and you're gonna do the same thing. A little bit of pressure. That light screen, that light screen. So you're gonna come over to the street side. Here's the button to deploy the front outrigger. You're gonna press it. It's gonna come down. Get a little bit of pressure on it. That one's green, and do the same thing with this one in the rear. Okay, so now you're green here. You got enough pressure on the pad here. Now our auto level light is green, so we're gonna hold that. And if it's off level, it'll level it. So I'm pressing it in and nothing's happening because the truck is level enough to deploy the boom. Okay, so now I just made the truck off level to demonstrate the auto level feature. The bubble is outside of the sight glass level and it's blinking, so we're gonna hit this. And we're good. It automatically stops. We're level. We use the unstow function. You gotta hit this button over here and send power to the basket. Now you can hit this. So once you get the platform onto the ground and you want to start your workday, you got to switch the power to the platform controls. And you're good to go. So when you're done working for the day, you have to hit the stow unstow button. It's going to blink over here and you're going to send power back to the boom. It's green, and then you can hit this and it'll stow back into the cradle, and I'll show you how that works. Okay, so now with the boom back in the rest, we can use a one-touch outrigger stow button. I'll show you how that works. On each side of the truck, there's a button right here. It's the outrigger stow. You're gonna press that, hold it in, and it'll bring the outriggers back in for you. So what's really nice about those two features, the auto stow and the auto outrigger stow, is at the end of the day, when you're wiped out from working, you can put the platform back in the cradle pretty easily. And then you come down here, you bring both sides, the outriggers up, and you're off to the races. You're off and running, you can go back to the office. If you're interested in this truck, Call us at the number below. The number is 800-258-1010. If you want to speak to me, my extension's 250. My name is Tony, and I'm with Choose. I'd be more than happy to talk to you. Thanks for checking us out.